Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we have an important warning for every PS4 user watching. If your PS4 has been getting louder, hotter, or shutting down, you'll want to follow this closely. Place your PS4 on a clean, flat table so we can work safely. Make sure your PS4 is completely powered off. Unplug the power cable from the back of the PS4. Unplug the HDMI cable from the PS4 as well. Now unplug any USB devices connected to the PS4 controller ports. Wait at least 30 seconds to discharge the PS4 power system. While the PS4 is unplugged, check the back ventilation grill. If you see dust buildup, that's a major cause of PS4 overheating. Use a soft brush to gently sweep dust away from the PS4 vents. Move slowly to avoid pushing dust deeper into the PS4. Now take a can of compressed air and blow into the PS4 vents. Use short bursts to avoid condensation inside the PS4. Rotate the PS4 so air can move through both side vent lines. Continue brushing and blowing until the vents look clearer. Next, look at the PS4 power port for dust or blockages. Blow compressed air into the PS4 power port to clean it. Now check the PS4 HDMI port and clean it gently. Cleaning ports reduces overheating and video issues on PS4. Now let's check the PS4 fan behavior. Plug the power cable back into the PS4. Plug the HDMI cable back into the PS4 and into your TV. Do not power on the PS4 yet. Press and hold the PS4 power button for 7 seconds. You should hear 2 beeps indicating safe mode on PS4. Connect your PS4 controller using a USB cable to the PS4. Press the PS button to activate control. On the PS4 Safe Mode menu select Rebuild Database. This will organize PS4 system files and reduce processing strain. Let the PS4 complete the rebuild process without interruption. Once the PS4 restarts, listen to the fan sound. If the PS4 sounds quieter, the airflow improvement worked. If the PS4 still sounds loud, we need more cooling. Ensure the PS4 is not placed inside a cabinet or tight space. The PS4 needs open air around all sides for cooling. Move the PS4 at least 4 inches away from walls and objects. Never place the PS4 on carpet, fabric, or soft surfaces. These materials trap heat inside the PS4. If your PS4 has been running for years, internal dust may be heavy. In that case, a deeper PS4 cleaning may be needed. Only do deeper cleaning if you are comfortable opening the PS4. Otherwise, take the PS4 to a service shop for interior dust removal. Let's test the PS4 under normal load now. Launch a game on the PS4 and let it run for a few minutes. Place your hand near the PS4 vents to feel the airflow. Strong airflow means the PS4 fan is doing its job. Low airflow means the PS4 still needs internal dust cleaning. Listen for fan volume from the PS4. A quieter PS4 means the cleaning steps are successful. If the PS4 still overheats, thermal paste replacement may be required. Only perform that if you are experienced with PS4 repairs. Otherwise, allow a professional to replace PS4 thermal paste. Continue monitoring how hot the top of the PS4 gets. If the PS4 stays cool during gameplay, your fix worked. Always keep the PS4 in a dust-free open space moving forward. Regular light cleaning prevents PS4 overheating problems. If this video helped your PS4, let me know in the comments. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more PS4 troubleshooting and repair guides. Thanks for watching, and take care of your PS4.